Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about date object in JavaScript, part of web technologies course. The date object in JavaScript is a built-in object that provides a variety of methods for working with dates and time. It can be used to get the current date and time, to compare dates, and to perform arithmetic with dates. Here are some examples of methods provided by date object. New date creates a new date object with the current date and time. New date with milliseconds creates a new date object with a specified number of milliseconds since January 1, 1970. New date with date string creates a new date object with a specified date and time in a string format. Date.getDate returns the day of the month between 1 to 31. Date.getDate returns the day of the week between 0 to 6. Date.getFullYear returns the 4-digit year. Date.getMonth returns the month between 0 to 11. Date.getTime returns the number of milliseconds since January 1st, 1970. Date.getHours returns the hours between 0 to 23. Date.getMinutes returns the minutes between 0 to 59. Date.getSeconds returns the seconds between 0 to 59. Date.setDate with a day sets the day of the month. Date.setFullYear with a year sets the year. Date.setMonth sets the month. Date.setTime with milliseconds sets the date time using the number of milliseconds since January 1, 1970. Date.setHours sets the hour. Date.setMinutes sets the minutes. Date.setSeconds sets the seconds. Date.toDateString returns a human readable string representation of the date. Date.toISOString returns a string representation of the date in ISO format. Date.toString returns a string representation of date and time. For example, here's how you could use the date.toDateString method to get a human readable string representation of the current date. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.